Also, I'm giving you one option that if you guys want me to help you in your preparation, what you can do is you can just come to my YouTube comment or Instagram DM, so that I cannot make it every day, but yes, I can make it once in a week time to at least guide you up in your preparation and have a Zoom session to just help you out for this. So if you need the support, do let me know. I'll definitely try to come up on Zoom every weekly once and help you in preparation. About eDental portal was the most friendliest approach for me, and eDental was the platform where I have enrolled. Even I request you guys, like if you're planning, you should enroll into eDental portal. eDental portal is like all in one. You get your data flow also done there, your prometric also done there, then comes your mock also done there, your preparation also done there. So this is the best platform where I think one should enroll himself into. And questions, it's like 150 questions if I'm not wrong. I just forgot that it's 150 questions without any negative marking, and 60% is the passing mark. So I think it's easier. For most of the exams it's 50%, but here it is 60%, but you will crack it up. Mostly the question is from endo surgery, then anat, then comes some medicines also, then some from what was that, perio also. So like these subjects hold, endo also hold maximum weightages. So just try to prepare yourself, and in eDental portal you'll come to know the percentage of questions coming from this subject, that subject. So you'll come to know everything. So you have a complete syllabus where they will mark you saying that the maximum weightage is for this, less weightage is for this, so that you will be helped by the eDental portal. Why I'm giving you eDental portal reference, because I have used it and it was very easy for me to use that platform and qualify. Don't make a mistake of taking screenshots or multiple media entry into that system. So don't do that. Just do one thing, that is make a note, so that you have handy notes when you're going for your exam preparation.